In our A-line skirt episode, I will be sewing with cotton and linen. We'll learn how to pivot the darts in the sloper. We'll pivot them away to create the A-line. This is below the knee length, and it's lined with cotton. We'll use hem tape for the hem, stitched hem for the lining, patch pockets with top stitching sewn into the side seam, a relatively narrow waistband. This is about an inch. Wrap the edge of the waistband with the hem tape because it's straight around, it's not a curve. And also, I'll be wrapping the seams of the skirt. That makes a beautiful finish. The back has no darts, as well as the front, and we'll be putting this on our lovely model Rosa with a sailor top. So let's get down to work and learn how to make this skirt.